What's up everyone, Crypto EJRJ. Welcome back po dito sa ating channel. My name is Al Jerome Argutos. Sa channel natin guys, nagsishare po tayo dito ng mga iba't ibang paraan paano ba tayo kumikita sa online, lalong-lalo na sa cryptocurrencies. Now sa time nito guys, is meron po akong isishare sa inyo. Ito po yung the MetaSpace.GLYD. Meron na po silang itong card. Okay, may i-insert po ako na video guys, dyan, kung saan pinapakita po nila na actual po na meron pong card, Mastercard, alright? And how this the GLYD benefits your business? Ito po siya, meron po siya mga business paraan, paano po siya ginagamit. Dito po sa kumpanya nito is they have a utility token, alright? Ayang ito po yung Glometa. So dito po tayo magta-tackle more, okay, the Glometa token, yung nilabas nitong paper, white paper na to. Ayan, so pinapawatig nila dito ano ba yung cryptocurrencies at ano ba yung overview. Alright, the points, the Glometa was created to bring tailored transactional applications. Alright, so bakit we choose Glometa? It's a cutting-edge cryptocurrencies trading platform based sa Dubai po. So, meron po silang mission to provide a secure, reliable, and user-friendly environment for individuals and institutions to engage sa seamless digital assets trading. So, why invest in Glometa? Meron po siyang malaking potential to become a global payment system of the future. Alright? So, they have also, guys, the 4% burning. Now, to reduce the total supply ng Glometa. So, I think Glometa coin is meron po sila dito ngayon na pre-sell. So, yung 4% na yan is applicable for the pre-sell po. And, ito po yung distribution ng Glometa. Alright? So, sa mga mahilig sa mga airdrops dyan, alright? So, abangan natin itong airdrop. Meron silang airdrop na which is 19 million na distribution ng Glometa nila. They have the public sales na 100 million, 19 million for the airdrop management, 7 million, education charity, 7 million. So, ito yung tokenomics, okay? The Glometa got 140 million. Meron po silang pre-sale. Nag-start noong July 25. Okay? They have a pre-sale token, 20 millions of expectation price. Wow! Grabe, no? So, yung pre-sale na 4%, is naka-auto burning mechanism. We predict the price. Wala pa ito sa pancake swap guys ha. Okay? Rise up to 0.5 to 0.20 USD per Glometa in September 2023 and the listing of pancake swap exchange. Wow! So, kukumputin natin to mamaya kung magkano yung increase potential ha. Okay, upon listing, yung opening kasi nila ng price is 0.5 to 0.20. Listing to pancake swap. Right? The burning mechanism applied during the pre-sales. Alright? And the solution to stable to value the Glometa token range of 0.5 to $5 the end of 2023. Wow! Our target Glometa value in the year 2024 is 50 USD bawat isang Glometa. Oh, napakalupit, no? Alright, so meron din silang roadmap dito, guys. Okay, itong roadmap nila, and this time, we are in the early of 2023 po, August. So, yung exposure nila sa India, alright, they have also already grand launching of MetaSpace and Glometa coin in Dubai. So, they'll be listing a pancake swap of Glometa in September. Yan po yung roadmap nila. So, let's go to the website, theglo-meta.com. So, pero pwede tayong bumili dito, guys, gamit yung MetaMask, gamit yung BNB. Pwede tayong bumili ng gamit yung BNB. With 1 BNB, pwede tayong makabili ng 5,000 Glometa. Kung i-calculate natin yan, guys, 1 divided by 5 times 5,000, yung isang value by this time is 0.0002 yung isang Glometa. Pero kung titingnan natin sa CoinGecko, okay, sa Coinbase ko, CoinGecko, 0.002, magkano yan sa USDT? 0.002, ayan. So, 0.04 o 0.05, yung isang Glometa. Kung i-less na nito sa PancakeSwap, wow, di ba? Kung abot ng 0.5 to 0.2, napakalaking taas. So, the end of 2023, possible na aakyat up to 5 USD yung bawat isang value ng Glometa. So, make sure guys na magkaroon tayo nito. But, this is not a financial advice guys. This is not a financial advice. Make sure to read the disclaimer below on the description area. Alright? And, all you have to do, pwede rin tayong bumili direkta sa pre-sell nila ng contract address sa pre-sell. Okay, mag-send lang tayo na 0.1 BNB yung minimum. Alright, 0.1 BNB. This is a decentralized system, bank payment system, CPA network. Yan, the future of Glometa. There will be a Glometa blockchain, multi-currency wallet, DeFi exchange. So they have also the products. Yan po yung mga products nila. So, connect your MetaMask. Okay, pwede po kayong kumonect sa MetaMask nyo or Trust Wallet. Okay, gamit po yung BNB. You can buy your Glometa as early as now.